Hello guys, Charleston here. I'm just leaving right now with the seminar with the Brian Tracy. It's very exciting. We learn a lot and about the life skills and everything else. This is my other friend over there. His name is Jair. And very excited. If you really want to learn, if you really want to go into the next level of your life, you gotta make sure that you come to events. You gotta make sure that you come to those seminars, because only I believe it is only the 10% of the top owners in the whole world goes to the event and seminar. So if you don't want to get into that ability of learning, you must go there. Okay, you have to go over there, go to the seminar, take notes. I talk about 45 notes in just like an hour and a half, and that was something that I'm really proud about myself. And that's exactly what I have to do. Get myself to learn and teaching people and helping people, and that's what I do to my mentor through Alpha Alliance Company. And hopefully see you guys at the top, because the body is too crowded. We are in the month of June right now, and I'm looking forward to the next month seeing Marshall Silver. Bye now.